Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a great TV mount. So as you can see, I have got my TV mounted right here, and this is the Mounting Dream, which is designed for 42-inch TVs up to 90-inch TVs. So it's really designed up to a wide range of sizes. Very easy to install. One of the things I absolutely love about it, it has a ton of hole options. So that way you can find the perfect stud anchoring, because can work with your standard 16-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch stud spacing. So if you're struggling with finding that anchored into a stud, this one works really, really well. You do want to make sure it's anchored into like a stud or a concrete block or something like that, or plywood backing, so that way it is nice and secure. Now, like I said, the TV it can use TVs up to 42 to 90 inches. That also means it works with TVs up to 120 pounds. It does pull forward up to 7 inches, which makes it super easy to access all the cables in the back if you are plugging anything, like you got to plug in your new HDMIs or you change out equipment. Very easy to just pull it forward and push it back and operate it. Obviously, you can also tilt it so that way it has the perfect view. Now, it does have a no tools attachment as far as tilting. So it can tilt 2 to 15 degrees, which is nice. So if it is mounted up higher, you need to tilt it down a little bit. You can do that. And like I said, you don't need a screwdriver or anything. It has a built-in little thumb piece. Just simply untighten that, lean it forward, get it in position, and then retighten it back up, and you're good to go, which is absolutely the thing I love about this. Very easy to adjust, because sometimes getting those screwdrivers in that tight space is really hard to use. Now, just like it also has a safety feature in it, it locks in place. So you're going to put the TV, you're going to mount it at the top, and then push it in to where it locks. Now, let's say you have to move the TV, or you need to kind of recenter it on the sides. It has easy pull cords at the bottom, which disengages that lock. So that way you can easily tilt up the TV from the bottom and pull out. So once again, makes it easy to remove the TV so that way you don't drop it, because obviously that is going to be an expensive mistake if you end up dropping the TV. Now, to give you an idea as far as the Vesta hookup, it will work for a range anywhere from 600 by 400 all the way down to 200 by 100. It comes with all the hardware you need. So it has the perfect, lots of screw options. I think it had 4 different screw options. So that way you can find which one works with your TV setup. It also has the spacer. So that way you will have a nice tight fit, no loose wiggling or anything like that. It also comes with all the mounting hardware that you need, whether it's going into a wood stud or concrete blocking. Very, very strong as far as mounting it. It works really, really well. That's one of the things I absolutely loved about it, and it was really easy to install, as I mentioned earlier. But overall, that's kind of the ins and outs of this TV mounting bracket. It's very sturdy, very easy to use. If you're looking to find a great mounting bracket for your TV, I think this one is totally worth checking out.